What if the biggest secret to longevity is not pills, not expensive treatments, not extreme diets? What if living longer starts with how you think, feel, and live each day? Because stress can age the body, hopelessness drains energy, loneliness harms health. But reflection, purpose, and emotional well-being may help you thrive longer. Today, I'll show you the 5 E's path. Many people believe aging means decline, less energy, less joy, less purpose. So they stop trying early. They say, "I'm too old now. It's too late. This is just life." But beliefs shape behavior, and behavior shapes health. Your expectations may be aging you, or helping you. The 5 E's path to longevity. Expectation. What do you believe about your future? Experience. What is your body and mind telling you now? Evaluation. Any gap between expectation and experience. What patterns help or harm you? Explore. How do you feel? What new small changes could improve life? Execute. How do you turn insight into habit? Simple, practical, powerful. Your body whispers before it screams. Poor sleep, stress, low energy, mood swings, brain fog. Don't ignore signals. Ask, what drains me? What gives me energy? Who lifts me? What habits weaken me? Awareness is powerful medicine. Now test small changes. Walk 10 minutes daily. Sleep earlier. Call a friend. Learn something new. Stretch. Pray, reflect. Journal. Tiny habits repeated become transformation. You do not need a perfect life overhaul. You need one repeatable next step. Longevity is rarely solo. Friendship matters. Purpose matters. Community matters. Ask, who needs me? Where can I contribute? Who strengthens me? Meaning gives life momentum. You do not need to become younger. You need to become more aligned. Reflect, rewire, renew. Your best years may still be ahead. The question is not, how old am I? The better question is, how alive am I becoming? Reflect, rewire, renew. The 5 E's path to longevity of body and mind. Available soon on Amazon. Like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs hope today. Because aging is certain, but decline is not.